So we have this triangle, a right triangle, and we have the question which says, for the triangle shown, which equation is not true? So, firstly, to solve this question, let's remind ourselves of the SOHCAHTOA acronym, which will help us solve this question. Before we go further, if you are new to this channel, I am the SAT Math Guru. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you like, make sure you share, and make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to watch our previous episodes on the SAT Math Walkthrough. We've done 22 episodes, so make sure you watch them so that you improve your math skills. All right, so we have SOHCAHTOA, which means sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, tan is opposite over adjacent. So this is x here. So the angle, the side opposite x is 42. This is the opposite. This is the hypotenuse. Then this is the adjacent. So knowing this will help us solve the question. So the first thing, sine x equals 42 over 59. Is that true? Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, which is 42 over 59. That is correct. Sine 90 minus x, the second one. Sine 90 minus x equals 42 over 59. Now, sine 90 minus x is the same thing as saying cos x. So, is cos x 42 over 59? Cos x is adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos x is adjacent, whatever the adjacent is, divided by hypotenuse. But we know it's not 42 over 59. So this is obviously the incorrect option, because sine x is not 42 over 59. So this is our option. Now, for the third option, cos 90 minus x equals to 42 over 59. Cos 90 minus x is the same thing as sine x. And we already have that sine x is 42 over 59. So this is the same thing as A. C is pretty much the same thing as A. Then D, sine 90 minus x minus cos x equals to 0. We already know that sine 90 minus x is the same thing as saying cos x. So this is saying cos x minus cos x equals to 0. So this is all. A, C, and D are correct. B is the only incorrect option, and that's our answer, B. Alrighty, so before you go, please check the description for a short SAT math course that I made on how to improve your SAT math skills in 1 week. You will learn important things that the SAT asks, the 4 most important topics that the SAT asks. Improving your skills in these subject areas will guarantee you a high SAT math score. So please check the link in the description to enroll for that course. And I will see you in part 24. Thank you.